lights on.
Concealer instead of my Hourglass, which is definitely more sheer. I think that it serves a time and a place. I really do like the dewy luminous look. I actually don't know what shade this is because I got it a few months before it launched to the public because I was in the launch campaign. So I just use the shade that works for my skin tone, but I don't know what it is. Let's get on with our day. Sometimes a cracker just hits so hard. I'm at my bestie's house. We're gonna get dinner tonight because I realized I haven't left my house in 2 days. I'm talking to the vlog. You did not know you had these?
I don't have any food in my house.
Everyone needs that one person that they can walk in their house and just open their fridge and not feel any shame.
That's me.
Do you feel like you do it at my house too?
Yeah. Usually you got some good spread going.
I have a lot of good food in my house.
No, I know.
You guys, new development. We found a snack in Blake's house. This is the best pretzel
Those pretzels, yeah.
He interrupted me. I'm kidding.
They're like a Vancouver local family. They sell them at the Christmas market every year, but there's like on Granville Island, or there's a little store actually just by English Bay.
Oh my god.
So ridiculously delicious.
What is the seasoning on it? It's not
Secret
the salt.
recipe.
They're gatekeeping. Lore family pretzels if you're ever in Vancouver. Today officially starts the holiday season. I just came back from getting a breakfast wrap because I'm flying home for the holidays today and I do not want to get any groceries. I have zero food in my fridge. So I have a lot to do today, but two thoughts I had. First of all, why is it that every time I need a chapstick, I can't find one? Like I have so many lip balms in my home. As soon as I need one, I'm like scrambling. I can't find one. Oh my gosh, this mirror. Scary. Thought number two, I was really thinking about last night. So much fun. When we went into this restaurant and we were getting seated, I ate shit so bad and I fell to the ground. Usually when you fall, you can catch yourself on something. No, I'm talking knees slammed to the floor, arms hit the floor. Like I fell so hard. There was water on the ground and I slipped and fell. And the host was like, are you in here? Like you can get out. Given where we were too, we were at a restaurant called Hawksworth and the clientele there, you guys, I'm telling you, I fell in front of the whole restaurant. All you can do is really laugh, but like, you guys, this is a restaurant that like Harry Styles dines at when he's in town. Like, you do not want to be falling here. So that was a cute little moment that I had last night. Otherwise, so much fun. Always such a good time with Blake. And we're actually both going to Edmonton for the holidays with our family. I have a lot to do today. I have to clean my house top to bottom. I have to pack. I have to pack very specific things because I have to film stuff over there. And also I'm skiing. I don't think I told you guys, but I am skiing. So I have to bring a bunch of ski stuff. I've never skied. I've skied when I was like 10 years old, but does that really count? But I have to bring a lot of stuff that I just don't know anything about. I have to run to Fable to get a gift from someone. It's 10:30. I have to be at the airport at 1:30. First, obviously, the way I start every day with a coffee or a matcha. I'm gonna make a matcha today. I'm feeling iced. So the sun is shining. I think I'm gonna do an iced matcha. So let's go make it. I'm ready for the airport. I have my technology bag. I have some headphones. I have my little Fellow tumbler that I love. I have my laptop, and then I have all my personal things like my wallet, chapstick, stuff like that all in there. All ready to go. Welcome to my teenage bedroom. This is the first house my mom purchased when I was about 17 years old. And this is like the first time I ever had a room just to myself in the basement by myself. So the independence felt so good. A few things I want to share with you. First of all, this was my little like walk-in closet situation. It is a graveyard now since I've moved out, but this was my prom/grad dress. So in my city, we didn't have prom. Grad is where we really did like the full shebang. And this was it. This is from a brand called Work Hall. I don't think they actually exist anymore. I'm pretty sure they're like a sister of, is it Oakenfor? I don't even know. But this was like handmade, you guys. The woman making it was in the shop when I was there. I don't know. I just felt cute and spunky in this. I'll share a photo right here. I wore the cutest little pink heels, and I think I had like a pink bag with it too, or a sparkly bag. So cute. I would wear this today. It still fits. It's a size small. So this was 10 years ago now, which is so crazy to think that I graduated high school 10 years ago. Also crazy. I'm turning 28 in 3 weeks. Ooh. This was my grad cap. I wish I was kidding. It says running through the 6. I indeed did not live in the 6, Toronto. I lived in Edmonton, Alberta, but there was a huge like Drake culture. I don't know why. I was the biggest Drake fan all throughout junior high and high school. And I remember the night before grad, a few of my really close girlfriends slept over. We all bedazzled our grad caps, and I chose to put Running Through the 6 with my woes. That song is a banger, so I don't even blame myself. I want to see if I can find my yearbook. One sec. Okay, I have my grade 11 and my grade 12. I found 16-year-old E-Man. Oh my goodness. I want to try and braces and wall. Okay, she was still a cute girl. Eyebrows super thin. It's so wild looking through your old yearbooks and like being transported back to that time. Love her, but I don't know her. This was 11 years ago. I feel like I've come such a long way. And looking at all your classmates and like the popular girls, the boys you thought were cute. I found Blake, who's my bestie still to this day. Where is he? Where is he? There you go. Okay, can you see the glow up that I had from grade 11 to grade 12? The photo I just showed you before this. The braces were off. The hair was dyed. I learned how to do some makeup. I wish I could give 17-year-old E-Man a hug and let her know everything turns out perfectly. The dream career, the dream job. You're engaged to an amazing, amazing, amazing man. Life is truly so good. You have your own big girl apartment in the city. Good morning, folks. I know I left you yesterday. It is cold here, okay? It is so snowy here, but I love it because I believe that the holidays should be snowy. I am getting what is my first stop every single time I'm in Edmonton. I have to come here. It is a non-negotiable. It is a staple. It is a tradition. It is a ritual. And it is for the best sandwich you will find in this city. Honestly, the best sandwich that I've ever tried anywhere. Vancouver has not cracked the code on making a sandwich like this, and it is at Farrow. I'll take you guys inside. Get the grick with no bacon, pop the yolk, cut it in half, and it's literally a work of art. I'm at the one in Ritchie Market. Also, I made my matcha at home. I made my mom one this morning because she'd never had one before, and she loved it. And of course, I brought my do matcha to Edmonton from Vancouver. What I'm doing based off of my outfit, based on the fact that my brows are being pushed down and my goggles push my cheeks down too. Like, this is not good for wrinkles. I'm out in the snowy terrain of Alberta, Edmonton, Alberta, and I am going skiing. I'm actually taking a private lesson today, a 1-hour lesson, because I have only skied once when I was probably 10 or 11, and all I remember is the pizza and the french fry. All of my friends do it. I'm sick of going to Whistler with them and not skiing, so this is the year that we change that. We're going to a ski hill in Edmonton. It's called Rabbit Hill, and I'm doing my lesson there, and this is perfect because the hills here are quite smaller than the mountains in and around Vancouver. And of course, like Banff, Jasper, Lake Louise type skiing. So this is a perfect place to learn. I'm gonna do a 1 hour, and then I'm gonna see if I have it in me to keep skiing after that. I'm a little nervous. I fear I might fall a lot, but that is what today is for, and I'm just choosing to have a really good attitude. My outfit of the day is not typically what I like to wear. I'm just doing a big old hodgepodge of hand-me-downs from family. This is my coat. I got it from Columbia. I got it from Mark's, actually. And then I'm wearing a family member's snow pants, and I'm wearing this like maroon hat, these goggles. It's no Pinterest outfit at all, but I'm so thankful to have access to this outfit and this gear to help me learn. Okay, I'm gonna focus on skiing. I think if I have any clips to share, obviously I'll put it in here after, but wish me luck, you guys. And let's get on with this. This is a new life skill that I really want to. Come on. I had such a good mindset going into this lesson. My instructor's name was Earl. He was a sweet fellow in his 70s. And what helped me the most was shedding any feelings of embarrassment or judgment. I was on the bunny hill with all the little kids, and you know what? I fully leaned into it. Being 27 and learning how to ski is honestly such an advantage despite what others might say. My balance, hand-eye coordination, spatial awareness, all of it comes into play. Before you know it, I advanced to the biggest bunny hill in no time, honestly, focusing on my turns and my stops. Perfect progress for day one. Morning, you guys. I'm at the ski hill again for day 2 of my lesson. Today, we are going to master the french fry. We're going to go down the green run with the chairlift. I'm telling my instructor that is my goal. Also, it is so much colder today. I think it's minus 10 Celsius. I'm wearing the same outfit because you should not be buying a brand new fit until you know that you love it. So today's really going to be that for me, and let's get into it. I'll put some footage in now. So tired today. Definitely took a lot out of me, but I had genuinely such a good fun time. I did my little lesson with Earl, and then me and my fiance just did run after run after run after run. I'm honestly very proud of myself. I had so much fun today, and I'm looking forward to going again.